Greetings, my friend. So, if you ever wanted to have a one-bedroom apartment in Laguna, this is what you're looking for. 45 square meters. Right after you enter into the apartment, the first thing that I saw is a built-in fridge. Not always, like very rarely, where you can see something like that. This is the kitchen, also fully equipped. The apartment is fully furnished, ready to move in. I like this one. This is like the bartender, what they call it. So someone is making a drink for you, or you're chopping some snack, and you're talking, having a cocktail. Moving a little bit forward, living area. This is a sofa bed. So you move the table aside, open it up, and two kids, at least two kids or adult, can sleep here. The TV, some decorations. Apartment looks fairly nice and very fresh. So let's continue into the bedroom. Decorations, TV, bed. Well, this is like standard package. So nothing too fancy. There is a small little table for like a working place. You can put a laptop or something. Well, wardrobe, big mirrors. Here is the shower and the sink. If you continue forward this way, you get out into the kitchen living area. So let me summarize. It's in Laguna. The project called Ocean Stone. 45 square meters here is at least 5.5 million baht. This one goes only for 4.8. Please hurry up. It's a great hot deal. It's gonna be sold within weeks, maybe days. One more thing. There is a swimming pool on the rooftop. The other one, if you want to eat something, just to the restaurant, turn to the right. Boat Avenue is in a walking distance. Turn to the left, you go to the Laguna, golf courses and everything. And 1 kilometer walking distance to the beach. Perfect. And it's already completed. Thank you and see you next time. We are on the rooftop. Here is like a small fitness center. And on the right, there is a swimming pool. The location is really nice, right next to the Laguna, surrounded by greenery. There is one more swimming pool on the ground floor, and this is the view of Laguna.